We'll guide you through how to make text to object in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. On desktop, go to the search bar and search for Adobe Illustrator. For this tutorial, we are using Adobe Illustrator 2019 because it is simple to follow and has all the tools needed for this task. After Illustrator is opened, you can choose to create a new file or use an existing file if you already have one prepared. You can also choose the Fast Create option for convenience if you want to begin quickly. This time, we are going to use the Create New option. This option gives more ways to customize your document before starting. Make sure the width and height are set to your liking so the workspace matches your project needs. You can also choose the measurement system to your liking, such as pixels, inches, or millimeters. Click Advanced Options to show more settings. Choose CMYK as the default color mode because it is useful for strong color control. Choose Screen on Raster Effects so the file is optimized for digital viewing. After all settings look good, select Create, and your artboard is done. Now, choose the object you want to turn your text into. In this demonstration, we are using a circle. Create a new circle using the Ellipse tool on the left side of the screen and place it next to the text. You can adjust the size of the circle depending on how large you want the final effect to appear. After that, right-click on the circle, go to the Arrange menu, and select Bring to Front, so the circle moves to the front layer and sits above the text. This step is important because the object needs to be on top before applying the effect. Next, select both the text and the circle by clicking and dragging over the two objects. Once both items are highlighted, group or keep them selected together so Illustrator recognizes them as the elements you want to use. After that, go to the top of the screen, click the Object menu, and look for Envelope Distort. When the submenu opens, choose Make with Top Object. As soon as you click it, your text will instantly transform to match the shape of the circle. This creates a fun warped text effect that can make your design look more interesting and professional. Try experimenting with different shapes, sizes, and text styles to create even more creative and unique results.